What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive link for a folder so you can share photos with other people. So firstly, you want to open Google Drive, then you're going to create a new folder. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on this plus sign, and as you can see here we have the option for a new folder. So let's create it. Now we have to name it, so let's do photos for this folder, the name. As you can see it's right here, let's open it. And now we want to add our photos to the folder. You can add which photos you want. I'm going to add these photos. After you added your photos, what you want to do is to go to your folder name. As you can see it's right here. Then you're going to click on here. Then you're going to scroll down till you see share. Now you can click on here to copy the link for this folder, or you can go again to the share option and you're going to click on here. And you can add people by email, or again you can copy the link from here. And as simple as this, after you copy the link and you share it, you can share photos from this folder to other people. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.